Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So SHIBA INU. SHIBA INU is currently sitting at 4 zeros and 11, guys. Was up over 13% on the day. Gave those gains back. Still holding over 3.8% on the day. Up over 10% on the week and up over 40% on the month, guys. So as we know, for the ones that been here, when she was trading at 4 zeros well in the 20s, I saved a lot of people over 50% as it came crashing hard, showing 5 zeros just as we predicted, guys. Even though it's starting to head back up, Bitcoin look like it's starting to head back up, the stock market look like it's starting to head back up. I told you guys that's exactly what's going to take place. After coming down, hitting those levels, we called Bitcoin from 50,000 to 20,000. Once it came to 20, we didn't say, yeah, it's about to go up. Since it done got hit hard, I said, nope, it's coming down even lower. We're going to come down to 19 and 18,000. If it break 18,200, that's a nice signal that we can go down and drop another $8,000 on the share price and possibly see $10,000-$11,000 Bitcoin. Even though we could run up and spike big before coming right back down. It's all a trap. It's all psychological points that goes in the fact of why the markets operate like this, guys. So anyways, you see right here, SHIBA INU burn alert, 1.2 billion SHIBA INU tokens destroyed within a week. Satoshi reveals that one requirement for massive SHIB burns is true community effort. And we know a lot of people in the community is definitely doing their thing. Some people have burn channels on YouTube where all the money that's accumulated from that YouTube channel is sent to acquire and burn SHIB, guys. So 1.2 billion SHIBA INU tokens were burnt over the past week, permanently removing them from the circulating supply of the meme coin. Analysts believe SHIBA INU could continue its rally despite the price trend's vulnerability. So 1.2 billion in a week, guys. That's not as much of a burn as it sounds. They make it sound as bigger than what it actually is. But always, going in the right direction, progress, we can't complain at all. Because as we know, she was just a joke. It was made for fun. It was made for people to BS around. And like I told you guys since the beginning, go look at old videos. I love it when everybody else is laughing at something or treating something like a joke, because that's when I get serious and take it more seriously. Because that's when usually it be the biggest winners. Because this world is not designed for everybody to win. It's only a select few, because you got to have somebody in line to be the worker bees. And if everybody winning, everybody rich, who going to be the servants? Who going to do the work? Even though it sound bad, even though it sound crazy, that's just the way it is, guys. Whenever somebody loses money in the stock market, somebody just gain money. Whenever you gain money in the stock market, you just took that money from someone else. So make it make sense. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and continue. In the past 24 hours, there has been a total of 76,275,000 SHIBA INU tokens burned in 16 transactions. So we're going to put it into perspective about how long would it take for us to burn 1 trillion tokens by the rate that SHIBA INU is currently going at. So as we could see, it's taking us about a week to burn 1 billion tokens. So if we put things in perspective and did a calculation, it would take us roughly 40 years to destroy 1 trillion tokens. And SHIBA INU supply is well over 500 trillion. So you guys see, it would take us 40 years, basically 80 years. Everybody that's watching this, basically a whole lifetime. In 80 years, only 2 trillion tokens will be burned. That's not even 1% of SHIBA INU's total supply. Chloe, what you doing out here, girl? Watch out for ants, okay? Watch out for them ants. So as you guys could see, don't let this discourage you at all, though, because as we know, since we got the burn portal, things has picked up way quicker than how much we was burning off before with just the SHIBA INU coffee company, SHIBA INU gaming company, the SHIBA INU community sending over to the burn to get it burned off as well. So we know things have sped up drastically since we got this burn portal, and there's no telling what's going to come in the future to make things speed up even more. And if we can burn off 1 trillion in 40 years, we want to get that chopped all the way down to burning 1 trillion tokens in one single week, guys. If we could do that in 1 week and burn over 50 trillion tokens a year, After 5 years, that'll be roughly half of Shiba Inu's supply. Now you talking numbers. Now you talking a significant increase in price action. Now you talking Shiba Inu getting the levels that nobody could have never fathomed with their burn supply. I mean, with that burn rate steady picking up and the circulating supply steady going down, making the coins that you hold more rare. So you already know, guys, like we know, SHIB is definitely an investment. You want to put a small amount of money in, hoping to turn into a large amount, but you definitely don't want to get carried away and try and be greedy and put a large sum of money on it, because no, this thing is still up